Shut up! That's why I lost my temper, Mr. Chairman. Public Estates Authority is worlds apart from Phil Invest or whatever it is that he was mouthing. It implies that I was a member of the board of directors of a private company. I have never been so. Be careful with what you say to this committee.
I stand corrected.
You should be. Mr. Chairman, I most humbly request for this committee to consider this witness in contempt of court for deliberately misleading this committee and for particularly denigrating my integrity and my moral character.
You're a graduate of the Ateneo Law School and a registered lawyer. Why am I not impressed?
Ano ba ibang argumento maisip sa utak mo?
Gusto mo, kaya ayaw mo pakinggan. Kung ayaw mo pakinggan, di umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako kaya lang...
Granted! You're questioning my authority. I walk out of this meeting.
On the one hand, I might die, and then they could get rid of me. But on the other hand, I might survive, and then I will get rid of them.
Certainly will not countenance any senator insulting me just because my opinion happens to be different from his. There! Will you please stop smiling and looking at your cell phone? If you're not listening to my speech, please step out. Down! 30 libro ang sinulat ko. Yan, lahat na yan. Ininsulto ako ng aking mga kapwa senador. Mga impitero. May asim pa rin si Tanda.
Questions,
No.
however, the way we feel
No.
it should be answered.
You should answer according to the rules of court as determined by the Senate acting as an impeachment court. That is the rule here. Be careful, because I might request my colleagues to inhibit you and disqualify you from appearing here. I am a senator judge. I'm not here in my capacity as a politician. Politicians, when I appear in a rally, anyone can heckle me, but you cannot heckle me. You cannot engage in what the law calls a colloquy with me. You cannot engage in a discussion or argumentation with me. I'm the judge. I preside here. Diretso na tayo. Sino ang kasabwat doon sa public works, itong 3 construction firms na ito?
Your Honor, to be frank, we have not identified.
Hindi mo ginagawa ang trabaho mo. Senator Lacson, please interrogate so that we can find out who was this person who allegedly gave 70 billion or received 70 billion in connection with this.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
No, you are not recognized. Mr. De Luna, sinong nakikilala mo doon sa public works? Nakikilala mo lang para inosente lang na magtatanong.
Dahil dyan po ako nagninegosyo, halos lahat po sila kakilala ko.
Individual po lahat, halos kilala po namin.
All right, you are all stonewalling me. I am 63 years old. I was born 1945. I was not born yesterday. And I was RTC judge and awarded some of the highest awards for work in the judiciary. So siguro hindi naman ako napakagaga na sasabihin nyo sa akin, lahat yan kakilala ko. May mga kausap kayo doon eh. Pinagtatakpan ninyo. The meaning of quasi-political. Because the people might disagree with what the law says. Yun ang pakikinggan mo. That is the meaning of quasi-political. Hindi ibig sabihin quasi-political na buboto ka, ulit bibigyan ka ng mamahaling proyekto sa public works na kung saan maaaring kumita ka. Alam naman natin yan. Kung magkano ang halaga ng public works mo, 10% punta sa iyo kung gusto mo. Hindi iyon ang ibig sabihin na politika. At hindi ibig sabihin na quasi-political na isipin mo, nako, tatakbo ako. Either for re-election or for another position, or I need some position in government for my kalyado ko, who I will use as my dummy. That is not the meaning of quasi-political.
I request the lady to wind up this.
I thought that I was unlimited. I prepared a 2-minute paper, but I will obey the injunction. Tsaka, isang punto. I have no fear. I eat death threats for breakfast. Hit me with death threats. I love them. They add spice to my life.